Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Oh, hello there. So today I'm going to talk about three things that you can do to really close the gap when it comes to winning commercial cleaning contracts, which is the whole purpose of why we're doing this. We want to win more commercial contracts. So the first thing you can do is you can make sure that you demonstrate three of these things. These are the three areas that I've noticed that made the difference when I was actually winning my commercial cleaning contracts. So one of the things you want to do is have a way to demonstrate how well your employees clean. If they can see it, they can believe it. So either you have a video of you cleaning on your website where this is where you're driving a lot of your traffic for your potential customers to see, or you're doing a YouTube video on Instagram, but make sure that you are demonstrating how well, how professional, the quality of cleaning they're doing. Very important. If they can see it, then that takes a lot of the guesswork out on whether or not you can simply clean. You'd be surprised how many people are in this space that can. So demonstrate what you can do. The second thing you want to make sure is with your equipment and supplies, show something that is a way for cleaning for health. Very important, especially in this COVID time frame. And I'm just quite sure it's never going to go back to the way it was before. So a lot of individuals want you to clean for health, and there are certain ways you can do that. One of the things is you can use like that HEPA filter. And the HEPA filter stands for high efficiency particular air. And this is something that can take, theoretically, it can take 99.90%, 97% of the allergens, dust, and pollutants out of the air. So if you're talking about supplies, EPA approved or HEPA filters, these are things that can talk about literally you're putting your mouth and your money where it is, taking care of your customers, which they really appreciate, and making sure you're doing something to clean for health. That's the second thing. The third thing you can do is bring that unique something about your company that is totally unique. It could be how great your customer service is. It's really unique because of your response time, or you have this unusual guarantee that you give to your customers, or it could be that you have this really great way that you are with your employees while you're in front of how your customers see the way you pay them. So your pay system with your employees is just outstanding. But you want to have that unique sweet spot, something that is really unique to your cleaning company that's unusual in the industry. One of the things is probably high pay, making sure that they have a career instead of just a job. Those are things that we did when it came to standing out, and we really were very fortunate to have that translate into money, into contracts. So think about those three things. You want to have some way of demonstrating how your employees are cleaning. You want to make sure that you show you're cleaning for health through your supplies or your equipment and the last thing is that something unique, that differentiator, that 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 special stuff that really stands out that makes someone say, "Wow, I've got to have them." I've seen like 10 or 12 other cleaning companies, but they are the real deal. They're the ones after seeing the demonstration and then seeing they're cleaning for health. And now you put that unique something there. That's like tying a bow of giving them a irresistible offer. They will not be able to resist your company, and that's exactly what you want. So if you'd love to know more about all of this, something unique, how to create it, all of that and more, then guess what? Make sure you sign up for the free masterclass. It's a how to create a six-figure cleaning business, the blueprint, the very blueprint that I use to build not one, not two, but three cleaning businesses. And they were all scattered at the various times, different states, different, cities, all of that. So it's not like it's just one area. And that's the goal is to expand if that's what you want to do and not stay in one area. And if you know the blueprint for being able to do this, you can do it again and again and again because you have a repeatable system and automation that allows you to do that. So if you love, bring the energy, bring your pen and paper. I will give you actionable items that you can actually take in the master class right then on the spot. It's one thing to learn it, it's another thing to implement it. And I always say you want that transformation. So if you're here and you want to go there, that's the learning gap. That's what you want to figure out. Where you're here, how you want to be next year, this time, and what do you need to learn to have that happen and make that happen and see that happen. So if you're interested, make sure you click to register for the free masterclass, the six-figure blueprint on actually scaling your business, the automation, the systems, and everything to get to six figures and beyond. So I'd love to see you there. Click to register. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye bye.